Hey guys, I'm just out doing some wheeling here, and I just came across an old truck cab. Let's have a look at it. I think it's a truck cab anyway. Yeah. Looks like it was cut up, or oh, maybe it's bent right here. Maybe it was in an accident. Bent right over backwards. Or am I looking at it the wrong way? Huh. That's interesting, ain't it? Just branch out of the way. There we go. There's a full view. Those are some old beer cans. Schooner. That's in half decent shape. I'm taking that out with me. Set it up on the shelf. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Wasn't expecting to find this. Oh. There's the inside of that grill. Be a nice piece to have, wouldn't it, that grill? And it looks like it's mostly intact. Looks like an old door laying there. See, there's an old gate over here too. So that's pretty cool. I'll get back to you guys when I find some more. Well, look at this one, guys. We're on a roll today. Let's go in and have a look at it. See, there's a whole lot of bottles and stuff here too. Look at all this stuff here. Looks like some firewall or something. Let's go around the other side. completely stripped. There's like nothing left on it. I wonder if there's a... Sometimes there's a tag on the firewall. I don't see one on here though. Actually, it looks pretty solid for the most part. Big tree growing right up through it there. Have a look at some of these bottles and see what we got here. Special something. Special 85. I don't know. What we got here? Hey, what's that? Looks like it was an old toolbox or something. Zero Flow Chemical Company. What would that be? Hydraulics. There's an old Coke. I think that's a keeper. We'll take that one. Yeah, it's a neat little spot. See all kinds of bottles and stuff. Alright, if I find some more, I'll get back to you guys. I know you guys were liking some of the views I did in the older videos, so check this out. Ain't that quite a view? We're way up on top of a mountain right now. Quite muggy out. Pretty cool, eh? Look at that mountain. Well, I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Check out what I just came across. An old piece of machinery. An old front end loader. I mean, we're way out here in the middle of nowhere. It's crazy. Man, that'd be a nice chunk of steel right there. You know how much you could get for that at a scrapyard? I won't touch it, of course, but that's all #1 steel right there. Probably $10,000 sitting there in scrap metal. But nobody's ever found it because it's way out here in the woods. There's no engine in it. Ford. Got all the glass still in it too. I don't know if I dare open that door. There'd probably be a hornet's nest on it or something. Oh, we're good. Oh. Just wait a second and we'll hear, see if we can hear anything. No. Ooh. Stupid bees. One of the worst things about summertime is dealing with bees. This old road's pretty grown in too. See if we can get around here. Something running behind me. Sorry I had to cut that short, guys. A bear cub came up behind me, and I knew if the cub was there, Mama wasn't far away. And that's not something I wanted to deal with today. Quite a scare though. But I got some more stuff to show you, and we'll get there in a bit, so just hang tight.